Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I built something very powerful for the coaches. I built a 5 AI different tools that help you to boost your productivity as a coach. Yes, you can directly connect these tools to the 7,000 applications using the Zapier and automate your daily workflows. So what I built, I will show you in this video. Stay tuned. Let's get started. So these are the custom GPTs that I built for you. So it's not a normal GPT like where you only chat, but you interact with them and you automate your workflows using a Zapier. So I added the two things that stand out my GPTs differently. The first one, it has a knowledge base. The second one, it has a custom actions that performs Zapier actions and you can automate. I will let's start. I will tell you the demo one by one. So the first one is coach content creator GPT. The second one is session summary GPT. Third one is worksheet creator. Fourth one is email sequence. And last one is client progress tracker GPT, where you can ask these GPTs for the reports and everything. So let's start one by one. Now, for the content creator, you can ask create a three Instagram post, anything like to create a content for your social media. I know there are a lot of tools outside to create, but that is chargeable, but it's completely free with a proper templates and proper format. Okay, so he created the three posts. I will tell you the magic in the last, how you can automate this and create your content calendar for the month. Next, session summary. For example, you had a session with your client and you want to summarize that, and then you want to send the emails to that clients. So it's super easy now. For example, these are the dummy sessions notes that I took while during the sessions, and then I paste. I'll say here is my session. Please. mm, I added, and now let's see what I get a results. So I want you to use once and let me know in the comment section how it works for you. So these are the comment section, that key points, insight for the client, action steps, next plan, everything. He follows the format and gives to you. Same for the worksheet, email sequence, and client progress. I want you to try this remaining three GPTs and tell me how it goes for you and how it's boost your productivity in the comment section. Now I will tell you the main part that's make my GPT differently and stand out from others. For example, we just created this three Instagram post. We asked our content creator. Now you want to maintain that in your sheet instead of copy paste. What I built is I built action steps where you can connect everything without writing the workflows, even though in the Zapier. So directly from your chat section, you can say in a normal English language and said, okay, I want to add this in my Google Sheet, and he will add completely your data in the Google Sheet. For an example, Google Sheet, for example, in the session summary, you want to send an email, you can automate that email. So Google Sheet, Gmail, Notions, there are a lot of 7,000 applications supported by the Zapier, and that all the actions performed by these GPTs. For an example, for this video, particular video, I created one sheet, Chat GPT to Zapier. It has now one entry. Let's delete that entry. Okay, now there is a blank sheet, and now we just ask this custom GPT to create an Instagram post. He created three posts. Let's say, can you please add this to my Google Sheet? Now, what will he do is he read first all the knowledge base, then he create the actions. Okay, sign up with Zapier. First question, if you're not a sign up with Zapier, he will ask you to sign up. I click on allow. Your account is now connected. Now he's talking to the connectors. Now it's connected, and now he asking you for your permission. Let's click on allow. Once you allowed, now he's reading all the actions that I created in custom action. He's talking to connectors, talking to actions, and select the particular actions to perform these operations. So it has a lot of actions created, like sending a data to Google Sheet, sending the email, get a data from your sheet, and communicate. And you can chat with your data, Google Sheet data, and you can generate the reports. So that's why I created 5 tools that is perfectly matched for the coach to perform with their clients. So now the reply is the first Instagram post. It has been successfully added. Let's see the sheets. Now, yes, and we have all the data in the Google Sheet. Okay, we have hook, we have stories, CTA, everything that what we build here as a first post. He added successfully. So it's very powerful automation, very powerful GPT. I want you to try once, and if you want to build a custom GPT for you as per your scenarios, please comment me or get touch with me or send an email to me, and I will help you out for that automation for sure. So for this kind of automations, stay stay tuned, follow me and subscribe to my channel for the more automations. Thank you.